welcome back to my channel, The Math Professor. Today we are discussing a trigonometric identities question, and the question is, if tan theta plus sec theta equals 1.5, find sine theta, tan theta, and sec theta. Whenever you are given with questions of this type, we'll see what is given and how we can use it to find the values or prove something. So we are given with sec theta plus tan theta value, and we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1. So let's get started with the solution now. Sec theta plus tan theta is given as 1.5, which can be written as 3 over 2. So that is your given equation. And using the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta equals 1, which is in the form of a square minus b square. And we know that a square minus b square is a plus b times a minus b. That means sec theta plus tan theta times sec theta minus tan theta equals 1, which can be written as sec theta plus tan theta, which is given as 3 over 2, 3 over 2 times sec theta minus tan theta equals 1. That means sec theta minus tan theta equals 2 over 3. So that is your equation number 2. Now, if we add equation 1 and 2, we will get 2 sec theta equals 3 over 2 plus 2 over 3. And by taking LCM on the right-hand side, you will get 9 plus 4 over 6 or 13 over 6. That means sec theta is equal to 13 over 12. And we wanted to find other two values, which are sine theta and tan theta. To find sine theta and tan theta, we will use the triangle method. So if I draw this right angle triangle and mark this angle as theta, we know that sec theta is hypotenuse over adjacent. So we have hypotenuse as 13 and adjacent side as 12. By using Pythagoras, we can find the third side as 5. And we know that tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So you have 5 over 12. And sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So you have 5 over 13. And there you have it. I hope this video is helpful. Please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.